I got the sides cut out for the trailer. Now I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna frame it all in. I don't really have any plans. I'm kind of just winging it and going with it. So I'm gonna try to figure this out. There's the other side. So right now it's about 5 feet tall. It's 11 feet long. And I plan on having 3/4, I guess you would call studs, supports going up and down. At the bottom, I'm gonna have a 2x4 so I can anchor it solid to the floor, which is gonna be through bolted all the way to the trailer. That way, if I wanna remove the whole entire thing, it's through bolted to the actual trailer. And all I gotta do is unthread the nuts and pull it out, or unthread the bolts and pull it out. So that's my plan. So, yep. So I'm gonna continue trying to figure out how I'm gonna frame this in and go from there. Got the Jeep sitting there. It's ready for summertime, I tell you that. I don't take it out in the winter. It just sits there in the wintertime. We got a lot of snow out today. Probably about an inch or two, but it's pretty cold out. It was down to about 12 degrees last night. I think it's up to like 22 right now, so it's a little chilly in the barn. I got the wood boiler fired up the other day. Takes a while to get the barn out, but the floor is somewhat warm, so that's all that matters. Keep the feet warm.
right, now for the other side. Yeah, I like it a lot. It's beautiful. It's amazing what happens when you use a tape measure. One saw blade at a time. Yeah, I like it a lot. That is it. Screw her down. Right. That's it. All right, it's the first attempt to put the wall up on this trailer. I only got one helper, and she is gonna give me a hand trying to get this up here. Hopefully the two of us can get it. If not, I'll have to wait until I get some more help. All right, here we go. Pushing at the bottom.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
All right, now we just gotta get it level. So hold it straight for a second. Oh, looks like it's pretty close. That's it for that one. All right, muscles. You ready? Huh? All right. There we go. That should be level. Look at that. And there you go. Ta-da! We got the walls. Now we're starting to frame in the walls and get the top going, and we're there. We're living. Thanks for watching. See you later.